let me begin by singing a song for you. I don't know how y'all feel in Charleston, but let me sing an old church song. Can I sing a church song for you? Huh? Will it be all right if I sing? Let me sing just a little bit. The song says, I am.
Sing that. All right. All right.
Y'all probably don't like this kind of singing. Are we singing too loud? No. I want you to know my mother, she told me she was going away.
It's all right. It's all right.
And she showed me back. No. Well, now, I know she's going. I want you to know she's going there to stay. Ain't she? Can I sing one more word? Let me sing this one. My father, he told me he was going away. And he showed me back. No. Well, now, I know I want you to know he's going there to stay. And he let me ask you a question. Is anybody here today happy? Huh?